Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Element Solutions. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're facing issue with the Windows update. As in, like while checking the Windows update, if it's getting failed, or while installing any of the update file, if it's getting failed, how to basically fix that. So there are like 4 to 5 steps, guys, and you have to follow in a sequence manner. So the first step would be is to delete some sort of temporary files that basically Windows generate while updating all the Windows update files. So you just need to, in order to delete all those temporary files, all you have to do is that just go to this PC, and here like you have to go to C drive, and here we have Windows folder. Just go inside of it, and here you just have to search for a folder that is basically software distribution. So if you scroll down a bit, you can find this software distribution folder. Just double click on it, and here we have like sort of folders and files, and just select all the files here, and just use a key combination in order to delete the files permanently. That is basically shift and then delete, and here just click on yes, click on continue, and now as you can see that like the software distribution folder is cleared. Now close this window, and now the second step is just go to settings here, and once you go to the settings, go to system, and here under the system we have troubleshoot option. Just click on it, and under the troubleshoot here we have other troubleshooters. Go inside of the other troubleshooters, and here on the list we can see like we have the Windows update option. You just need to click on run in order to execute the troubleshooting for Windows update. Once you do that, the Windows will start detecting the problem from the Windows update if there are any, and it will try to fix it if that can be done from the Windows end, and we can otherwise we'll do it manually. And now here you can see that like Windows found a problem while checking and updating the Windows, and if we click on the view detailed information, here we can see the details here like the issue found, and here we can see that the issue is also resolved and the status is completed. Now we'll click on next, and then we'll quickly close it. So this is the second step, and the third step would be to enable and disable the services. So we'll have to go to like services, like here like we'll just go to services, and here we just have to find like here like Windows update. So we'll just have to scroll down a bit. If you can also use like key combination in order to find it. Just type WIN, and here it will automatically display all the like Windows services. Just scroll down a bit and find for Windows update. Just double click on it, and you have to make sure that the startup type here is chosen like automatic, and the service should be running. So this is what exactly is the service. Like whenever you start your machine, like this service will automatically start on the start of the Windows, and like automatically. You just have to make sure that it's not manual or disabled. You just have to make sure that it's automatic and the service status is running. So if it is already running, just try to just right click on the Windows update and restart this service. So once that is done, so our third step is completed, and this is the last and the final step, guys. Now go to like Windows search bar and type CMD, and here we have like a command prompt, and you just have to make sure that you're running it as an administrator. Now click on run as administrator. Once you do that, you have to type like a sort of simple command in order to scan your system. This will be done by the system itself. In order to, it will scan your PC, and it whatever, if there's any issue with the system files, it will try to fix it. So the command is basically sfc/scan now. So just a FYI, guys, like if you're by pressing this like enter, if you're getting any sort of message like Windows resource protection could not repair the service, this sort of message if you're getting, I've already made a video on this. I've given the link in the description box. You can watch it and you can fix that issue. So now if I quickly click on like go to if I quickly hit enter, and now as you can see that the random scan started, and it will take like 4 to 5 minutes in order to complete it. Once that is done, just restart your machine and just try to check the Windows update. So this is how you can fix the issue, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, Saurav here, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.